Alright, now I'm partially the way there. I'm keeping this record because I have to do this again. The best way to do this, if you're a gyro owner, you have to take the exhaust off. The exhaust has 4 bolts. One here, here, and 2 over here, which are a bitch to get at. What you need, first of all, is to loosen up the 4 bolts on the rear fender. That's what it's called, a rear fender. Then you want to use a socket that has a wobbly on the end of it. Not a socket, but an extension. So that you can move the fender around right in this little spot right here where the muffler goes through to get to the bolt, sorry about the light, right here, and the stud right next to it. The wobbly and a 10 millimeter works perfect on that. And you'll have to take it off by hand. Now the next thing I need to do, and there's another reason I took this off. When I took off the bi-starter, I tried to put on one of the screws, it fell down in here somewhere. I want to see if I can find it. But what I need to do is take this wheel off. And then I take, this is the air intake for the fan. We take it off. I have to take off the cover for the cylinder. Right down in here is the fan. It takes the air, sucks it down in through here, blows it to here, and then blows it out the side over here, or it'll blow it up through this channel and get into the carb. This has never been taken off before. This piece right here, which that bolt right there is been on there 33 years. So I'm going to take this extraneous stuff off, then I'll take the wheel off, then I'll take the cover off. Before I do all this, you want to disconnect the battery, because if you fuck up the stator, then I got a 200-pound paperweight that's a really nice conversation piece. That's it. Okay, and we continue. Operation Clean Stator.